Hi everyone. So with today's negative daily close, uh, things have changed a bit, and if you see now, we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, and this move fifth up. So this red, green, and this red again. So this is whole congestion. This could be considered wave 4. So basically, we can put wave 4 like this, and this would become something like this would be your A, B, and C, and this could actually be WXY as we will see in the internals, but that doesn't mean as long as this could be qualified as a corrective pattern, and then this would become 5, and that would basically mean 1 or A on the upside is complete. So that means whatever alternatives we had earlier, so they are kind of invalidated if we go with this view, and for this view to work as expected, we need that this high should hold. So 24, 589, 15, that becomes our pivot, and as long as this is not breached, we can assume that this leg up is over, and we have started to be on the downside. So if we go to hourly chart, so I am removing these marks because they do not make much sense now. So basically this became our A. So now here if you see, this is 3 wave, this move. So this is basically a W, and then this looks 5 wave, but again, I mean, we can qualify it as a corrective B or X, and then this move is 1, 2, 3 again. So this is 1, and this whole thing could be B, and so that's why I was saying that this is 3 legs, so we could say ABC or but WXY, but as per the internals it makes more sense to mark it as WXY. So, and this is the fifth, and you can see this was a clean, even though this is very small, but this was a impulsive kind of move, and this is the high we have 24,589, and then we could potentially consider this as 1 and this leg as 2. So this is 1 on let me mark it, that will make it more clear. 1, then this is 2, and then there will be 3, there will be 4, there will be 5. So, and if I look at this, then I can count 1, this is 2, then this is 3, this whole thing is 4, and then 5th. So basically, and there is no overlap between 1 and 4. So this low is at 24,414.45, and the high of this whole congestion is 214.35. So basically just 0.1 is the difference between this low and this high. So this would essentially be one of these 3, then there will be 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, 5 of 3, which will complete this 3. So I will mark this as a lower degree, and then we will have 4th and then 5th. So that would basically complete either one of this 2B, or this whole thing could be basically, the 2B itself. So that we will see how this move evolves. So with current with today's down move, this is the view now we are going to follow, that 2B down has started, and this is the high that we have to watch out for. In case this is breached, that would mean that this whole view on the downside is invalidated, and now this whole thing is some kind of maybe fourth, and this is still continuing, and fifth is yet to come. So that's all for this update, and we'll see how things evolve in rest of the week. Thank you very much for watching.